खूप गर्दी असतं.
I am told to streamline the whole thing. QR कोडाचेर पे करपाक मेळटलें. They are doing it. They have already done it. It is already solved.
पूण प्रोसेस थंयसर स्लो हांगा आर टी ऑफिसान खूप गर्दी
I
असता.
told to expedite that. They told you QR कोडाचेर पे करपाक मेळटलें आनी स्टाफ घालतले. Already
पंचायत सेक्रेटरीनी काय हेका अपोज केला फाटीना ते येवन मेळ्या डायरेक्टराक बीन
कितें तें
तांकां ते हे बीन नाका AI आनी बाकीचे सगळे
AI अटेंडन्स बी नाका म्हटलं तेणी.
AI अटेंडन्स जे नाका म्हणटी पयलींच एडमीट करता की आमी ड्युटेर सारके आसना आमकां डॉजिंग करपाक जाय आपण जाग्यार आसपाना. वाय शूड दे ऑब्जेक्ट अटेंडन्स वीच इज बीइंग रेकॉर्डेड. देर इज नो एक्सक्यूज फॉर दीस. AI अटेंडन्स वील कम. It is about to be completed. Some small technical things are to be sorted out, including geotagging. ते सगळे जाल म्हणटच आमी ते लॉन्च करता.
सर दाबोळे
Then it may start from what they are saying. No, it should not be only for panchayat. It should be for everybody. It will be for everybody. We are starting from the panchayat department.
and they have object sevak word sevak they don't
That
want
is not that nothing is decided. That is being decided.
ah
Understood, no?
okay
But terminology should actually not make a difference.
okay
Understood, no? But whatever terminology that is being used, it should not create confusion.
ah
Why they should be worried on that also, I don't understand.
सर आनीक ते दाबोळे जेणे टॅक्सीकारांनी थंयसर स्ट्रायक करतले म्हणून सांगला न्हू दाबोळे टॅक्सीकारांनी
येल्लो ब्लॅक टॅक्सी.
थिंगा कांय स्ट्रायक करतले म्हणून सांगना. थिंगा प्रॉब्लेम आहा टावटिंगाचे.
हय
पुलीस एक्शन घेना. पुलिसे सांगला स्ट्रिक्ट कारवाई करूं. 2 दीस कारवाई केली म्हणटच सारके टावटिंग स्टॉप जाता. सगळे व्यवस्थितपणे जाता. पुलीस थिंगा ना परतून स्टार्ट जाता. सो आय टोल्ड देम नाव हें चलपाना. आय वील बी अगेन कॉलिंग देम एंड आस्किंग देम टू टेक द स्ट्रिक्टर एक्शन.
सो स्ट्रायक बीन ते करपाक
हॉस्पिटल रिसीव्ड बेस्ट हॉस्पिटल चिखली हॉस्पिटल.
Yes, obviously it is one of the best maintained and best hospital in terms of number of patients coming and getting very good service from the doctors and the supporting staff. I congratulate them because they are really doing hard work. And periodically I also visit and I see that everything is up to the mark. Recently, Dr. Chandrasekhar, who is the Union Minister of State for Rural Development, along with me, he had visited the hospital and he said, I have never seen such high standard hospital, so clean, with good facilities where patients also are so happy. So it's
So you are giving credit to Vishwajit also.
of course, why not? He is the health minister, he should get the credit. And the government as a whole also should get the credit, led by Dr. Pramod Sawant.
Yes.
थँक्यू सर